So iZotope have developed a new reverb and it's called Aurora. Now there's thousands of reverbs on the market, but this one is a bit different. This one sounds good and it kind of mixes itself. It's using algorithms and frequency masking, and I used to say it's kind of like the dark arts of reverb. It's super cool and it's a great idea as well. So let's just go straight into it. What I've got here is a song called Go Baby, not finished, but we have a little reverb problem here in that the backup vocals are a little bit loud and I need to kind of glue them together. And what Aurora is actually really good at is gluing things together. So you're about to hear it. It's actually switched off at the moment. So we'll just hear the vocals together like this.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
So there's a little bit of reverb already, but I've grouped them together. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch Aurora on. We're going to use a plate here. And this is the knob that basically gives you the amount. You've got a decay and pre-delay amount as well. So we can just tweak those slightly. We're going to play around with this in a second, this little unmasking section. And let's just go. Let's just hear how it sounds.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
So this is looping now. I'm just going to increase the amount of unmasking.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
And decrease it. Now you can change the attack and release, so we can make it really quick.
Go baby, go, go, go baby now. Go baby, go, go.
And we can increase the amount of
reverb. Go baby, go, go, go baby now. Go baby,
more reverb.
Go, go, go baby now. Go baby, go, go, go baby.
Let's use a different one. Let's use whole.
Go baby, go, go, go baby now.
So the other thing we could do is we can take out certain frequencies. Now, this is something you'd normally do with a reverb. So it's really clever that it's within the system. I mean, there are some reverbs that do that anyway, but this one seems to have everything in it. So let's just go ahead and remove a lot of that low end out of that reverb.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
It's really cool. And you can remove some high end as well.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
You can actually remove this whole section here by clicking that.
Go baby.
Or we can hear the delta.
Go baby now.
You can hear how that's being affected.
Go baby, go, go, go baby now.
So yeah, there's lots of
baby.
great functions available there on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we haven't taken a look at that because that's equally as impressive. We've got width and tone controls, pre-delay and decay controls. Let's go and take a listen to those.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
So we made the sound much brighter and the tone added like that.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
Excellent. Now we have this other thing called solo reverb, which basically, I think it takes out the original voice, but it gives you the reverb in all its majesty. So let's just take a listen to that.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
Let's select a different reverb. We'll select ambience now.
Go baby, go, go, go baby.
So as you can see, they sound really, really cool and really good. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you guys is it's not just about fixing vocals and adding reverb, as you can see here, and unmasking. It is also, for me, a cool tool to use with instruments that you don't normally use reverb with. So let's just go to the drum track here, for example. Let's bring Aurora into the drum track and let's take a listen to the drum track with Aurora on. We just got that looped up here. Solo that. So we've got the frequency masking doing its job there. I'm just testing them randomly at the moment. Room sounds pretty cool. Now, we don't want any of that low end to contain too much reverb, so let's just go and cut that low end out until it sounds cool. Let's hear that delta for unmask. That's a lot, so we're just going to cut that out to this much there, like that. Really cool. There are presets here that you can use. So for example, we can try any of these presets. Let's try widener. And obviously, or modern studio. Obviously from there you can go ahead and you can start tweaking it all. So yeah, very good for drums. One use case that not a lot of people really think about is on a master track. So it's really good, especially the way it takes the resonances out. It's a really good tool to be using as a way to glue a track together. And we're going to just go ahead and use the reverb, but we're going to dial it down, but we're going to get that kind of glue effect together. Let's just listen to that.
There is no way that she cannot hide. There is no way that she cannot
Let's just
hide.
move that like that.
There is no way that she cannot hide. There is no way that she cannot hide.
Excellent. So as you can tell, you can use it to glue your master track together. Now I've used reverb in the past and it does work if you just use a little bit, but this unmasking feature really does add a lot of potential using this basically as a mixing tool. So what do you guys think so far of it? I think it's a pretty cool reverb and I love it. I think it's great.